Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi 12C, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this XIAOMI. You need to begin by opening Settings. In them, scroll down to access Privacy Protection. Now click on All Permissions at the bottom and tap on one of your device's features, like camera. Then click on one of your apps, in my case Messages, and tap on the best option for you. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with don't allow, so in this case I need to choose don't allow anyway in the pop-up. Then when I click on the back button, as you can see, Messages no longer have access to my device's camera. But you can always select any feature, then look for an app that you wish to manage and tap on it. Following that, click on See All Chrome Permissions instead and manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!